Hello. My name is Katey Denno, and I am a celebrity makeup artist. And if you haven't already seen me on all of Credo's channels, let me introduce myself to you. I have been the clean, green, eco-friendly focused makeup artist in Hollywood for almost 15 years, I think. And my very favorite products are both formulated beautifully with respect for our bodies and the planet, and then they're also packaged in the most eco-friendly packaging. And so today's video is on the marriage of those two variables. So I'm so excited because this is my favorite focus. Okay, so I already did a bit of makeup on myself. I'm gonna walk you through what I've done, and then we'll, give a little finish on camera together. So the first thing that I did was pressed in some face oil because I'm very dry. So this foundation that I'm about to show you is wonderful. Truly, it's one of those foundations that I can carry in my kit and know that it's going to look great on everyone. Not only because the color range is so great, but also because it morphs to be great for skin that's really dry like me, and also for those who have a lot more natural oil production. So it's from Kaya Weiss, and it gets fingerprints every time you touch it, which is only a problem when you're trying to show it looking pristine on camera. But Kaya Weiss foundations are so good, and I like to apply them with a brush and fingers, like I said, on a face that already has a bit of moisture. So you can see I gave myself a lot of moisture, and I'm going to show you at the end. I'm going to take a little powder and show you how you can kind of tone down where you need to. Okay, all I did, loaded up my brush. If you're really, really oily, you may not want any oil underneath. But for those who have dry skin, rosacea, flaky, crusty, breaking out, all of that stuff, I want you to know that you can use this. Brush is really helpful because it helps to push it into the skin. And then, so like I said, if you're really on the oily side, oh, let me actually say this first. So Kaya Weiss is like the utmost in eco-friendly. So you could pop out these pans just with a pin on the back, and then you order a new refill, and that's it. So you keep this gorgeous, it's like a piece of jewelry for your countertop forever, and then you just refill the pan and you toss the metal pan in the recycling bin. So similarly, Alima Pure, you can pop out the pans, and then although it is plastic, it's yours forever. And then you can just buy the refill. So they come with little sponges, but you can also use a brush. So for me, anybody who is a little on the oily side, usually, like if I send a client down the carpet, red carpet, I give them a little powder right in there. That's the main spot. Middle of the forehead sometimes can also need it. If you have any blemishes, you may want to give a dusting of powder right there. But you want to keep the high planes of your face, for the most part, free of too much powder so that you can be, somewhat glowy. Okay, so then I gave myself a little camouflage under the eyes. This is concealer from Kaya Weiss. It's a very, very nice formula. You can build it, you can apply it super sheer, for really good for under eyes, really good for covering up blemishes. I like to do it in layers. So I put down a teeny little bit, then I go back, I grab a little more. So it's never really a heavy application, and it's always easier to add more than to kind of like flake off what you've already got on that may be looking crusty. I think that looks great. Okay, so then on my eyelids right now, can you see? I've got this beautiful, it's also from Alima Pure. It's a beautiful highlighter called Alchemy, and I put it on with my finger. I just so simply press it in like this, and it gives that nice little kind of like touched by an angel shimmer to the whole lid. I also want to give myself a little bit of that on the cheek. Look how nice that is. So I already have a little bit of crayon cream blush. I'm going to show you what I put on, but this looks amazing over top of it or alone. Okay, so one of my very favorite launches from this last year is from Axiology. They've been around for a while, but this lip to lid balmy, they did, I think, 3 packs like this of different colors. Couldn't be more eco-friendly. The packaging, the external packaging, is made in a women's co-op, and these little lid to lip balmies you use the entire thing. It's packaged in paper, so it's like they're doing it right. And then all I did was draw a little swipe, swipe, swipe on my cheeks and then blended it with my finger. So, so simple. You could put these on your eyelids. You could put them on your lips. I think I did before I put lip liner on, which I'll show you in a second. I gave myself a little bit of this on the top and bottom in the middle. Yeah, so pretty. These really look great on eyelids too. And there's a variety of shades, so no matter your skin tone, you can find a color that looks great on you. And then what I did was, as always, I, of course, added quite a few coats of mascara, and I really like this one from Katey Denno, not only because it's a beautiful mascara, but also because it is refillable. So the external packaging is yours forever. And then you just, I'll show you how it comes apart. So the refill arrives like this, and you just pop it in here, and that's it. So everything that I've shown you right now is the utmost in eco-friendly and great for us, great for the planet ingredients. One final thing from Katey Denno. I love this. It's a lip liner, and they've thought of everything, right? So most lip liners have a plastic cap, but this, metal. So, oh, and then talk about being focused on reusing. This is an old compact, which I use just so I can see myself up close while I'm doing these. So I like to not just fill in, or not just outline my lips, so I gave it away, but I also love to fill in my lips with lip liner so that it helps with longevity of wear of color. And then if you feel like, again, this is from Katey Denno, then if you feel like you need a little bit more hydration, this is one of my favorites. It's from Eugenia Shea, and they have 4 different really beautiful shea butter blends, and it's good for everywhere. Anywhere you have dry, scaly skin, hurdy skin, just dry skin, this is your answer. It's your antidote. I like it on cheeks, brings back that glow that you might have lost, especially if you're putting powder products on. And then I like to work it into my cuticles too. So I think this looks pretty fantastic. And again, all of these products are in a variety of different shades. So no matter your skin tone, you can find your beautiful, perfect complement and just have fun. It's, you know, it's just makeup, right? But it's makeup in packaging that's actually making a difference. So I invite you to check it all out. Let us know if you have any questions down below. I'll stop back by to offer some answers if I have them. And as always, thanks for coming to my bathroom.